Kabando wa Kabando blasts ODM leaders, accuses them of using Uhuru to appease Ruto. In a statement shared on his official X account on Monday, December 29, 2025, Kabando singled out key party figures including National Assembly Minority Leader Junet Mohammed, Homa Bay Governor and ODM National Chairperson Gladys Wanga, Suba North MP Millie Odhiambo and Homa Bay Town MP Peter Kaluma. He accuses them of political betrayal, dishonesty and scapegoating Uhuru for personal and party gains. Kabando dismissed claims by Junet Mohammed that Uhuru had failed Raila Odinga in the 2022 election. He argued that the real responsibility lay within ODM itself, pointing to internal mismanagement and missteps by party leaders and Azimio coalition insiders. EBK, subscribe for more information.